Hi, thank you so much for watching Phiten YouTube channel. This is Toshi Nomura again. Today, we'd like to talk about, this is something that we get a lot of inquiries about from our customers. It's called finger sleeve. This is how it looks like, right? Actually, we make these finger sleeves out of these tapes. The thing is, after COVID, we have to wash our hands a lot. And if you have these patches, actually kind of falls off a lot when you wash your hands. But if you use it this way, actually, you can use it longer. It's because when you make the sleeve, right, you can take it off and you can wash your hands and then you put this one back onto your finger again. So you can use it for a long time. Okay, so let's see how we make it, all right? Okay. So you can just take a look here. There's a line here on the back of the tape. So it really depends on how big your fingers are. But let's say about 3 boxes here. We cut it, okay? And then we just make a slit right here. And this part you peel off first. Okay? Then from here, we might need a little practice, but you flip it and the adhesive side, just stick it to each other, okay? Then we take this paper off from here, okay? We roll it this way up to this line, okay? Up to this line. Then roll it again. So that there's no adhesive side and the sleeve, and then you can put your sleeve on your finger like this. Yeah, and then you can take it off and then put it back on too. Okay, you might need a little bit of practice, but please keep watching this video so you can do it for yourself too. And as you know, this tape, it has 14.7 feet long, so you can try it. And then if you have all the concerns or all the fingers, you can make 1, 2, 3, 4 more than that too. But please try out, and if you have any questions, please give us a call or let us know anytime. All right, this is Toshi from Phiten Hawaii. Thank you so much. Aloha.